Half wrap around the house, how to put the seat into your INTEX so your back doesn't hurt while you're using it, because you're gonna be out on the water for, I don't know, half hour maybe, 45 minutes maybe. There's a piece of Velcro on the bottom part of your seat. There's a piece of Velcro in the floor of the kayak. Take your seat, push it way back like so, push it down, and the Velcro will grab it. Just like that. Curl the backrest around, and you have like a seatbelt type feature that will keep this back from tilting back while you're using it. Let me make sure I'm still in the shot. Okay, so there's like a seatbelt feature, and you take and you just click it in. Now this is adjustable, and again, what that does is that keeps this backrest nice and straight, so your back doesn't hurt while you're out there paddling, because we don't always paddle all day long, so it's nice to have a little bit of stuff, a little bit of support in our back. And see, it won't go back. Half around the house. I'll put a link to this. It's called a K1 INTEX Challenger. I'll put a link down below to Amazon. You can pick one of these up, 150 bucks. It'll get you out on the water. See if you like kayaking, because this kayak is nice. I've used it 6 or 7 times, no holes in it, real durable. Fold it up when you're done, throw it in your trunk, bring it home. Half wrap around the house. Like the video? Hit the like button. Consider subscribing to our channel. Use the affiliate links. It helps support the channel. Thanks for watching.